Previously, on the captain's shorts.
We're in Wasco, California.
The component in question ends up being the fill funnel kit.
Wall oven doesn't work, and we're going to find out why.
Today we are replacing a fluorescent light fixture with an LED flash panel light fixture.
Looks like we fell short on an idea for a pun this time. We're going to be changing this garbage disposal today. It's basically ran its life. This should tell you how old the garbage disposal is. We're going to take these off, and to do that, we're going to use our bucket to catch any of the water. The next step is removing it from here.
Twist the lower mounting ring to disconnect the garbage disposal from the upper drain assembly. Use a screwdriver or similar item to insert into the loops if needed. With the garbage disposal clear, loosen the screws on the upper mounting ring. Loosening these screws will give you access to the snap ring, which needs to be removed to disassemble the sink drain flange assembly. Use a flathead screwdriver to expand and remove the ring. With a slight tap upward, the sink flange should pop out. Disassemble the new sink flange the same as you did the old one, by loosening the flange screws and removing the snap ring. Completely remove any debris left from the old assembly by scraping the old plumber's putty from the drain location.
Take some new plumber's putty and roll it up into the shape of a long worm and set it at the bottom end of the sink flange.
Place the new sink flange in the sink hole from above. From below, install the new rubber gasket, fiber gasket, backup flange, upper mounting ring and screws, and secure them in place with the new snap ring.
Just tighten the screws a little at a time to make sure it stays lined up. And then once you're able to catch some resistance to where it's starting to pull down, then you can start pulling it, tightening everything up. But you want to go a little at a time. That way it stays all lined up. As long as the plumber's putty squeezes out all the way around here, it lets you know that you're on the right track. You had enough in there. Remove the excess.
If you have a dishwasher, remove the exterior plug from the dishwasher inlet. If there is no exterior plug, there will be a knockout plug inside the inlet. Push a screwdriver into the inlet and tap it out from the inside of the garbage disposal. Install the lower mounting ring and splash cover onto the garbage disposal. Remove the old drain seal ring and metal flange piece from the sink drain assembly and replace them with the new ones provided.
We're going to put our drain piece back on. We're not going to tighten it, we're just going to have it enough. We're going to have to retract it, and then we're going to expand it once we get the disposal on there. And that's where it brings us to actually getting the garbage disposal up there.
Hold the garbage disposal in place, using even upward pressure, and twist the lower mounting ring onto the upper mounting ring.
Here's where it gets interesting. They do have specific tools that will raise the garbage disposal into place depending on what kind of stability you have with a scissor jack. It would just be to hold it in place. You can also use 2x4s, stack a couple of things on top just to make sure that you don't have to take on the whole weight of the garbage disposal. Or you just go over here and say, I'm going to hold it.
Secure the drain line to the garbage disposal drain with the screws provided. Secure the dishwasher discharge hose to the dishwasher inlet using a hose clamp. Plug the dishwasher into the outlet, and plug the garbage disposal into the switched outlet.
Time to test for leaks by running the water and turning on the garbage disposal. Make sure it doesn't leak first. I think we're good as far as it not leaking. Looks like we're good.
With everything working the way it should, all we have left to do is to return the contents of the cabinet back to where they belong.
Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment for us. We've still got plenty of projects coming your way, so stay tuned.